Hello, welcome to HM Digital's official video on how to use our PH-200 meter. The product includes the PH-200 itself, with accessories including a lanyard, PH-7 and PH-4 buffer solutions, a storage solution, and a user's guide. Turn on the device by pressing the on-off button. If you want to change the temperature unit, press temp. Place the probe tip in a prepared solution and give the probe a gentle stir to make sure there is good contact with the solution. To hold the displayed measurement, wait until the measurement is stable and press hold. When you wish to return to normal mode, press hold again. PH-200 will automatically calibrate to the corresponding calibration solution it's in. Always calibrate to PH-7 first. Place the probe tip in a prepared PH-7 solution and give the probe a gentle stir. Wait for the measurement to stabilize and press and hold Cal for 5 seconds. Wait for the device to display End to indicate the calibration is finished. Repeat these same steps for PH-4. Gently wash the probe with clean water for storage. Remove the sensor gasket ring by rotating counterclockwise. Gently pull off the old sensor. Take out the new probe for insertion. Remove the probe cap and carefully insert into the meter. Be careful to align the connection pins. Be sure the device is tightened by rotating the gasket by turning clockwise. Remove the outer battery cap by rotating counterclockwise. Release the inner battery lock by turning 90 degrees to counterclockwise. Take out the used battery and replace with new battery. Lock the inner battery cap by turning 90 degrees to clockwise. Be sure the outer cap is tightened by turning the cap clockwise.